Our topic for this video is exponential notation. Exponential notation is a method of writing an expression that shows a certain term multiplied to itself many times. Or pag sinabi nating exponential notation, ito yung abbreviation ng repeated multiplication. So kapag sinabing exponential notation, ang makikita natin sa kanya ay si exponent at si base. Okay? Kung nasaan yung exponent, kung kanino nilagay yung exponent, siya yung tinatawag nating base. And the base is the common factor. Then, yung maliit na number sa tabi ng base is what we call the exponent. It will tell us how many times the base is used as a factor. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng 2 to the third power? Pag sinabi nating 2 to the third power or 2 cube, ang ibig sabihin niyan is 2 times 2 times 2. So, we are multiplying 3 number 2. Hindi siya 2 times 3. Dito, ginamit natin yung dot operator to represent multiplication. Kung hindi naman dot operator or bullet operator ang gamit natin, we can use the open and close parentheses. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is what we call expanded notation. Okay, pinahaba natin yung exponential notation. Then, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. 8 is what we call the power. The product of repeated factors can be expressed as a power. Okay, so kilala na natin si base, si exponent, at si power. Okay, kahit naka-expanded notation or naka-exponential notation, we will still came up with the same answer. How to read exponents? Example, we have x and then ang exponent natin ay 2. It is read as x to the second power or x to the second or x squared. Ginamit yung salitang squared kapag 2 ang exponent. Next is kapag 3 ang ating exponent. It is read as x to the third power or x to the third or x cubed. Kapag 2 or 3 ang ating exponent, ginagamit natin yung term na squared or cube. Then, if we have 4 as the exponent, it is read as x to the fourth power or x to the fourth. So, ang next na dyan, it can be x to the fifth, x to the sixth, x to the seventh, and so on. Example, we have 3 to the second power, that is equal to 9, or 3 squared is equal to 9. The base is 3, the exponent is 2, the power is 9. Next is 4 to the fifth power is equal to 1024. The base is 4, the exponent is 5, the power is 1024. Next is 2 to the fourth power is equal to 16. The base is 2, the exponent is 4, the power is 16. Next is 5 to the third power is equal to 125. The base is 5, the exponent is 3, the power is 125. Next is 10 to the second power or 10 squared is equal to 100. The base is 10, the exponent is 2, the power is 100. Next is 6 to the 0 power is equal to 1. Tandaan, any number raised to the 0 exponent is equal to 1. The base is 6, the exponent is 0, the power is 1. Now, let's write expanded notation into exponential notation. So, paano ba natin isusulat yon? So, example, we have a to the 7th power. So, ibig sabihin, we have 7 letter A. So, we have A times A times A times A times A times A times A. Okay, kung bibilangin nyo, the letter A is 7. 7 na letter A. Next is 3 squared x cubed. So, as you can see, dalawa yung base natin. Ang base natin ay 3 at x na magkaiba sila ng exponent. So dito, start tayo sa unang base, which is the 3. We have 3 squared, so that is 3 times 3. Then x cubed, we have x times x times x. Next is m to m cubed, n to the fourth. So we have 3 letter m, or m times m times n. And for n to the fourth, we have n times n times n times n. Next is negative 5 squared. As you can see, yung ating negative 5 ay nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, ibig sabihin, yung negative sign ay kasama ni 5. So, kapag ginawang expanded notation, that is negative 5 times negative 5. Okay, next. We have negative 2 to the fourth power. Sa example natin this time, hindi naka-parenthesis si negative 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang merong lang exponent ay si 2. So, we have the negative sign, then close and open parenthesis, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, tingnan maigi yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Then we have 2y, then quantity to the third power. So, ibig sabihin, si 2 and si y ay merong 3 as their exponent. So, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times y times y times y. Other way of writing there is 2y times 2y times 2y. Okay, let's try by completing the table. We have the given exponential notation, base, and exponent. So, the given are the following. So, what is the exponential notation for example number 1? So, that is 3 to the third power. The base is 3, the exponent is 3. Next, so we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, the base is 2, then the exponent is 4. So, we have 2 to the fourth power. Then we have y times y times y times y times y times y. So we have y to the sixth power. The base is y and the exponent is 6. Then we have 4 times 4 times a times a times a. Dalawang 4, tatlong a. So we have 4 squared, a cubed. The base are 4 and a, and the exponent is 2 and 3. Next, we have 6 times m times n times n times n times n. So, the exponential notation is 6m squared n cubed. The base are 6m and n. And the exponent is 2 and 3, or meron pang 1 yan, si 6. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang video.